Hey guys, Mohammad Aoun here again. And in the last video, I spoke about the high level overview of what Oracle Outbound Sales Engine looks like and what are the main two channels of email marketing and LinkedIn prospecting. And I spoke on a block high level diagram based how these campaigns could work and essentially what's the input, what's the output that you can expect from those. In this specific video, I'm going to talk about the basic framework of how I create targeted campaigns in the Oracle world in a couple of different segmented categories. So the number one category is that Oracle product specific campaigns. So let's assume that you are an implementation company that offers services around Oracle ERPs. Okay, so as you know, each of these fields is a whole universe. It's a whole different beast. So most of the companies have a core competency area. So let's say if your implementation company works around Oracle ERPs and it helps them move their EBS data to the Cloud Fusion or JD Edwards to Cloud Fusion, or in general, they work around Oracle ERP. So what we want to do is essentially, first of all, identify the list of accounts that use Oracle ERPs because that's where the demand is. It will be very hard for a company with less than 1,000 employees to be able to sell ERPs into Greenfields accounts. So our best approach is finding companies where they're already implemented and then providing our services to them wherever they are short-staffed or there's a skill gap. So let's assume you work around a specific Oracle product, let's say ERP or HCM, SCM, etc. Then how do we craft the campaigns for that, right? So there's a whole way of finding Oracle install base accounts, and I've created several videos for that in the course. Then how to identify companies using Oracle SCM, and then how do you write specific email and messaging templates which resonate with those specific companies? Because if your email is too long, it's not, people are not going to pay that much attention. If it's too short, then how do you convey the complete message in that? How do you create follow-up cadences of your email campaigns so that you can actually sell your services? Because you will rarely find a response right on your first message. Typically, customers reply on sixth or fifth touch point when you follow up with them consistently over the course of 3 months and so on and so forth. So how do you write Oracle product specific campaigns? Similarly, you could be a company moving Agile PLM to Cloud PLM. You could be working on Oracle Logistics, OTM, GTM, WMS, or Oracle Redwood services on top of your Cloud Fusion applications to improve the UI UX of that. So you could have any specific service on top of or for a certain Oracle product campaign. How do we craft campaigns for that? So I will be creating separate videos for this specific area. Then the next area comes domain specific campaigns. So as you know, if you have Oracle data in your enterprise, then doing analytics is just not basically about the regular data analytics part. You have to understand how to pull the Oracle data from the relevant databases and tables and fields and actually do data analytics on top of that. More than that, you could have several ERPs, you could have several disparate applications that are working or integrated with your ERPs or Oracle applications. Now, how do you do data warehousing on top of that? Build an enterprise data platform on top of that to perform data analytics, to get insights, perform business intelligence and reporting to get insights for related to your Oracle data. So domain specific campaigns, how do you craft those? Who do you reach out? What do you say? How to follow up? How to nurture your leads? So on and so forth. And then you could have like other, for example, domain specific use cases like integrations, like these enterprises are using several Oracle applications. In some cases, they're also using Oracle as well as SAP and other custom built bespoke applications. How do you integrate all of those? How do you run campaigns for those? How do you run campaigns for robotic process automation or data science, AI, machine learning, which is a huge area of focus right now in the enterprise space? I'm going to talk about domain specific campaigns at length in separate videos. And then account based marketing. So, for example, if you've identified a strategic account and you know that this company is moving their on prem applications to the cloud and it's $1 billion+ revenue account, it's just from a certain industry segment, then how do you outreach to accounts of strategic nature? And because these are such big organizations, how do you do the effective list building? How do you identify the hierarchies of people, who reports to who? How is the decision making happening? How do you build visibility to Oracle about your progress so that you can build rapport with them, so on and so forth? And then the other area is product campaigns. So, for example, if you have specific products that are SaaS products and they sit or tie on top of Oracle solutions. There could be migrators or archivers or integrators or compliance solutions, so on and so forth. And you want to sell those services. So, how do you build those campaigns? Identify those companies where those products could be sold. So, I'm going to create separate videos for that. And then geographical, geography based campaigns. Like, for example, if you are a company operating in the United States or North America in general versus in the Gulf, the dynamics of operating are very, very different. So, how do you do the account outreach in different geographical locations is another area that I'm going to be talking about at length. But to give you a holistic idea, these are the types of targeted campaigns that you can run through outbound sales engines using email marketing, using LinkedIn prospecting, so on and so forth to sell your services by running such targeted and segmented campaigns. More to follow in my other videos. I'm going to create a whole course out of it and build a platform on School. If you're interested in something like this, join the School platform and we can stay connected. Happy to answer any of your questions. Feel free to reach out. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye bye.